If you're thinking about signing up for Looka Logo Maker, definitely watch this video first. I've been using Looka for a couple months now, and in this video, I want to share everything that you should know before trying it out too. I'll go over what they have to offer, my own experience, and also some things that I didn't like about their logo maker. If at any point while watching you decide to give Looka a try, there's a link in the video description below that'll save you some money when you sign up. Alright, let's dive right in. So, the thing that stood out to me about Looka was its convenience. Their user interface is intuitive, and you could tell which buttons does which thanks to the simple layout. So even if you're new to it, you could immediately start making logos. You can technically use the logo maker for free and just pay for the finished logo, but they also have a subscription option with a brand kit. The brand kit is basically a compilation of over 300 branded templates that you could use to create your logo. The branded designs are really good, and you could just pick one to the base of your own logo, or choose some as inspiration. You could also edit these branded designs yourself and edit the color scheme, the layout, and the icons. You can tweak them as much as you want until you have the perfect logo for your own business. And because their brand kit has so many good designs, I even use some of it for other projects like YouTube videos, thumbnail posts, and improving the look on my social media account. But if you're the creative type, you could also make a logo from scratch, but I prefer using the brand kit since it saves me a lot of time and energy. Also, the logos you make with Looka are royalty free with the subscription, so you don't have to worry about copyright issues and trademarks. Now, the brand kit and the easy to use UI are nice features, but what makes Looka really convenient is their AI powered logo maker. Yeah, you could just let the AI make your logo for you. You don't have to do all the work yourself. All you need to do is give it some input on what exactly you want and some info about your brand, and it will create a bunch of logos for you to choose from. But you should know that you most likely won't get the perfect logo on the first try, since AI tools are very specific into getting the design right. They just simply lack the intuition of a human designer. So there's a bit of a learning curve. But once you've gotten used to it, it's a very helpful feature. Their customer support team is also friendly, and they usually answer back pretty quickly. They do take longer to respond during peak hours, but it's understandable since they probably have a lot of customers. And speaking of support, the logos you make have a lifetime support using the subscription, so you can always edit or tweak them in the future by contacting Looka's team. One thing I didn't like was the option to pay for a low-res logo for $20. This option is pretty useless in my opinion, since it does not include commercial use. So don't go for it unless you're making a logo for a personal project you're planning to keep for yourself. If you just need a simple logo, use the option for $65 per logo. The more expensive option also includes the support I mentioned earlier, plus unlimited changes. Now, I don't recommend paying for a logo if you have multiple businesses or simply want multiple options for a social media or something, because you can make unlimited logos with their brand kit subscription. It might seem a little pricey at $96 a year, but if you break it down to months, it's actually not that bad. And you could also choose to pay an additional $33 on your subscription at $129 for a free AI website, which is pretty good if you need a website for your business too and want to use logos you made with Looka on there. So, if you're interested in trying out Looka right now, then don't forget to take advantage of the link in the description. It'll take you to the website with the discount applied automatically at checkout. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like. I'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching.